thunderstorm. This is how
They're
we
making a
provide it.
thunderstorm. It's not real. It's for a movie. They make it like that. Watch. In the water.
You may be able to tell where the rain is coming from. You might be able to spot the sprinklers. Yeah, the rain is coming out of sprinklers. They're actually shooting the rain up a little bit, so it's falling more slowly than real rain would fall. Real rain actually moves too fast to be seen clearly on camera, so even if it is really raining, you still have to use fake rain for filmmaking purposes.
Is that neat?
Also, real raindrops are sometimes so small you cannot see them with the naked eye, and a camera lens is not as discerning as our eyes, so these raindrops are also nice and big to ensure they'll show up on camera. The lighting also, ooh, sorry, I wasn't paying attention. That looks like a flash flood. Flash flood was the first major attraction added to the tour in 1968. It can also be seen in the movie Big Fat Liar.
You can't outrun the wolf, kid!
Yeah, we'll see about that.
I'm a